How do you make YouTube videos without showing your face? That's the topic of today's video. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, let's jump into this. This tool, this AI tool is amazing. You can create videos, publish ready videos for social media, for YouTube, for simple text prompts. You can also edit your videos by using text commands. You can use your own voice if you want, and also you can translate your videos into multiple languages. The tool that I'm talking about is called Invideo AI, and I'll make sure I'll have my link below in the description so you can check it out. And yes, it is my affiliate link, but I absolutely adore this tool. So let's log in and let me show you how from simple text prompts or ideas you can create publish ready videos. So here's the internal dashboard. It looks really simple. Prompt box. And then you can select different workflows and plugins. For example, if you want YouTube Short, you can click on that. You can also just type that in the text prompt box. You can also create YouTube Explainer, the long horizontal videos. So let's actually do this. So I'm gonna say, create a YouTube Short about kitchen hacks. That's it. And by the way, the more details you put into the prompt, the better. And then make sure you have model 2.0 selected, because that's where with the new features they have, you're able to, after you create the video, you're able to change the language of the video. So if you have multiple channels, this is your feature. And now click on generate video. And now let's give it a few seconds. Next, let's select the audience. Who's the audience for home cooks, busy parents, foodies? Let's go with home cooks. Look and feel, bright, clean, inspirational. Let's go with bright. And what's the platform? So it's gonna optimize the video for the platform that you select. Let's go with YouTube Shorts and hit continue. And now it's gonna do its magic. It's gonna write the script from simple, like few words of the text prompt that I use. It's gonna write the script, it's gonna stitch different medias together, and it will create the publish ready YouTube Short in this case for me in few seconds. All right, took about 20 seconds and my video is ready. Let me play. If you're a busy cook, you need these kitchen hacks to save time and impress your taste buds. And I'm not sure if you can hear the audio because I'm also recording this video, but it's using my voice because I've also created AI clone of my voice inside Invideo, which is another awesome feature. Now, once your video is ready, look at this. If you want to edit anything, click on edit. And now you can change the script. If you want to change the script, you can do that. You can select a different music. You can also select different, it's selected different medias from different sources, but if you want to change something, you can do that. Also, you can upload your own video files to be used in the video. Now, let me go back and show you the magical feature. Instead of doing editing manually, you can use this text box and enter any command. For example, change the subtitle outline color to red. I'm gonna say, change the voiceover to American female, and then click on generate. And now let's play this video again.
Use a rubber band for extra grip. No more wrestling with pickle jar.
So with simple text command, the voiceover has completely changed from male, which was my voiceover, to a female American accent.
Hack 2.
It's a 46-second video, so it's perfect for YouTube, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok, all the short form platforms. Another awesome feature you can do is change the language to Spanish. So with that simple command, you can change that video from English audience to Spanish audience. I'm not going to do it right now because I like the English audience. That's the channel, that's my audience, my channel. And then once you're happy with everything, click on download. And by the way, you do see,
tired of crying over onions? Pop them in the freezer for,
there's some logos of different clips. Once you download it, and if you have the right plan, those logos will disappear. So amazing tool, from simple text ideas to videos in like 20 seconds. Also, you can use your own voices if you want. You can use different languages, English, Spanish, Hindi, you name it. I think they have over 50 languages. Invideo AI, and again, I'll make sure I have a link below. So go check it out. Any questions, let me know before you go. Like and share this video so more people can see this. And now I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.